The moment you open your car's hood, you expect complexity, hoses, reservoirs, metal components engineered with precision, but what if one of the most critical systems protecting your engine could be transformed by something so simple, so inexpensive that it almost feels suspicious? Imagine a tiny $2 bottle, a liquid so unassuming that most drivers would overlook it completely, yet powerful enough to extend the life of your engine coolant far beyond what manufacturers expect. This isn't hype. It's the kind of quiet innovation that doesn't make headlines because it disrupts an entire ecosystem built on routine maintenance, repeat service visits, and costly repairs. And that's exactly why some people in the automotive world don't want you to know about it. For decades, coolant has been treated as a consumable. Every few years, drivers are told to flush the system, replace the fluid, and pay for labor that often costs far more than the coolant itself. It's become normalized, just another line item in the long list of car maintenance expenses. But beneath that routine lies a simple truth: coolant doesn't just wear out randomly. It degrades because of chemical breakdown, contamination, and the gradual loss of its protective additives. If you could stabilize those additives, if you could maintain the chemical balance inside the system, you wouldn't need constant replacements. That's where this mysterious liquid enters the picture. At its core, this solution works by reinforcing the coolant's ability to resist corrosion and thermal breakdown. Engines operate under extreme conditions: high temperatures, pressure fluctuations, and constant exposure to oxygen. Over time, these factors cause microscopic corrosion inside the cooling system. Tiny particles begin to form, circulation efficiency drops, and heat transfer becomes less effective. Eventually, the coolant can no longer protect the engine as it should. But this additive changes that dynamic. It acts almost like a shield, preserving the internal environment of the cooling system so that degradation slows dramatically. The result is something that sounds almost too good to be true: coolant that lasts significantly longer, sometimes years beyond its expected lifespan. Not because it's magically immune to wear, but because the conditions that cause that wear have been controlled. It's like maintaining perfect air quality in a room. If nothing contaminates it, there's no need to constantly replace it. The same principle applies here, and once you understand it, the traditional approach to coolant maintenance starts to feel outdated. What makes this even more fascinating is how little awareness there is around it. Most drivers are conditioned to follow manufacturer schedules without question. Replace fluids at certain intervals, trust the system, don't overthink it. And to be fair, those schedules exist for a reason. They ensure reliability for the average user. But they're also designed with a margin of safety that assumes no additional protection is being used. When you introduce a stabilizing agent into the equation, that margin expands, sometimes dramatically. This is where the tension begins. Repair shops rely heavily on routine maintenance services. Coolant flushes, system cleanings, and related repairs represent a steady stream of income. If a simple, inexpensive product reduces the frequency of those services, it disrupts that model. It doesn't eliminate the need for maintenance entirely, but it stretches the intervals in a way that changes customer behavior. Instead of returning every couple of years, drivers might go much longer without needing attention. Multiply that across thousands of customers, and the financial impact becomes significant. It's not that repair shops are deliberately hiding information or acting maliciously. It's more subtle than that. The industry evolves around established practices, and anything that challenges those practices faces resistance, whether intentional or not. Mechanics are trained to follow proven procedures. Manufacturers design systems with predictable service cycles. Introducing a variable that extends those cycles requires a shift in mindset, and that doesn't happen overnight. From a technical standpoint, the additive's effectiveness depends on its formulation. Typically, it contains corrosion inhibitors, pH stabilizers, and compounds that prevent oxidation. These elements work together to maintain the coolant's chemical integrity. When coolant breaks down, its pH level shifts, becoming more acidic or alkaline depending on conditions. That imbalance accelerates corrosion, damaging components like the radiator, water pump, and engine block. By stabilizing the pH, the additive keeps the system in a balanced state, reducing the risk of internal damage. Another key factor is cavitation, the formation of tiny vapor bubbles in the coolant caused by rapid pressure changes. When these bubbles collapse, they create microshocks that can erode metal surfaces over time. It's a subtle but destructive process, especially in high-performance or heavy-duty engines. Certain additives include agents that reduce cavitation, further protecting the system from long-term wear. Of course, no solution is perfect, and it's important to approach this with realistic expectations. This liquid doesn't make coolant immortal. It doesn't eliminate the need for inspection or basic maintenance. Hoses can still age, seals can still fail, and contamination can still occur if the system is compromised. But what it does offer is a significant improvement in longevity and stability enough to change how often major interventions are needed. There's also a psychological aspect to consider. Car maintenance has always been associated with cost and inconvenience. The idea that a small, affordable product could reduce both challenges that perception. It shifts the narrative from reactive maintenance fixing problems after they appear to proactive preservation. Instead of waiting for coolant to degrade and then replacing it, you're actively preventing that degradation from happening in the first place. This approach aligns with a broader trend in automotive care, extending the life of components through smarter chemistry rather than more frequent replacement. Engine oils have evolved in a similar way, with advanced additives that allow for longer intervals between changes. Fuel systems use cleaners and stabilizers to maintain efficiency. The cooling system is simply the next frontier in that evolution. For drivers, the benefits go beyond cost savings. A well-maintained cooling system contributes directly to engine performance and longevity. Engines operate most efficiently within a specific temperature range. If the cooling system struggles to maintain that range, performance can suffer and long-term wear increases. By keeping the coolant in optimal condition, this additive helps ensure consistent thermal regulation, which in turn supports overall engine health. There's also an environmental angle. Reducing the frequency of coolant changes means less waste fluid being produced and disposed of. While coolant is recyclable, the process still consumes energy and resources. Extending its lifespan reduces the environmental footprint associated with maintenance, making this approach not just cost-effective but also more sustainable. Despite these advantages, adoption remains limited, largely due to awareness. Most drivers simply don't know these products exist, and even when they do, skepticism often holds them back. The idea of a $2 solution delivering such significant benefits feels counterintuitive in a world where automotive repairs can cost thousands. It challenges the assumption that effectiveness must correlate with price, but history is full of examples where small innovations created outsized impact. Sometimes the most powerful changes come not from complex systems but from simple improvements applied consistently. This liquid falls into that category. It doesn't reinvent the cooling system, it enhances it quietly and efficiently. As more drivers begin to explore alternatives to traditional maintenance routines, products like this are likely to gain traction. The shift won't happen overnight, but it will happen gradually, driven by real-world results and word of mouth. People talk about what works, especially when it saves them time and money. In the end, the story of this $2 liquid isn't just about coolant. It's about how small, overlooked solutions can challenge established norms. It's about questioning assumptions and looking for smarter ways to maintain the machines we rely on every day. And perhaps most importantly, it's about recognizing that innovation doesn't always arrive with fanfare. Sometimes it's quietly on a shelf waiting for someone to realize its potential. Once you do, it changes how you see your car, not as a constant source of maintenance expenses, but as a system that can be preserved, optimized, and extended with the right knowledge. And that knowledge, once discovered, is hard to ignore. If you made it this far, you already know this isn't just another car hack, this is something most drivers never discover. Don't let simple knowledge save you thousands while others keep overpaying at repair shops. Subscribe to Meer Motor Hub for more powerful real-world automotive secrets they don't want you to know. Drop a comment below. Would you actually try this, or does it sound too good to be true? Because sometimes the smartest drivers aren't the ones who spend more, they're the ones who know more.